Want to clean up the number of open editors you have in VS Code? Try the close saved editors command. This will go and close any already saved editors, leaving just the dirty or unsaved editors. Let's take a look at this command in action. So here you can see that I have 4 editors open, and 2 of them, so the ones indicated with the little dirty icon here, are currently unsaved. Now at this point I can use the close saved editors and group command to reduce the open editors and only focus on the currently unsaved ones. Now there are 2 ways to trigger this command. The first one is to click on the editor tab bar. So if I go up here, right click, I can say close saved, and this is going to close all of the saved editors. So you can see that I only have the 2 dirty or unsaved editors remaining open here. The second option is to use the command palette. So I'm going to go and open a saved file here. So let's just open the file here, and I can trigger the same command just from the command palette. So if I say Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P and then say close saved, I want the view close saved editors and group command. And you can see there's also a key binding associated with it. When I run this command, again, it's going to close all of the already saved editors, leaving just the unsaved or dirty editors open. This command only applies to the current editor group, and it can be a great way to quickly clean up the number of editor tabs that you have open. So that's a quick look at the close saved editors and group command for VS Code.